Hi everyone, thanks for watching. In this video I'm showing you how I set up my DCDC battery charger. As you can see, I've got mine set up behind the ute in the tub where I've got the 12-volt cigarette lighter. I guess you can do this in any setup you might have, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did it step by step using my battery box. Alright, so the product is the DCDC battery charger. As you can see here, it's relatively a small box, as big as maybe a textbook. Alright, let's get into it and see what we've got inside this, and we'll take it from there. There we go. You get a instruction manual with it, and in the box you have the DCDC charger as shown. Okay, now in it you have an extension. On one side you have the Anderson plug, which goes to your lighter straight, just like that, color coded, red to red. And the other one goes to your battery. I have a battery box, as you would have seen, and there are two Anderson plugs on it, and I plan to utilize one of those two to connect it up to this side of it. And I also do plan to have this mounted on top of my battery, so it's nice and easy, and I would then secure it and take it from there. I'll bring you back once I'm ready to mount it and set it up, and we'll take it from there. Welcome back. As you can see, I've got 4 holes drilled into the top of the battery box. It will face that way, that will be the front, and here we've got this one going into the battery. This side, as I shown earlier, will basically be going to the car. Simple as that. So I'll bring you back once this is mounted, and then we'll take it from there.